Home remedies for burping. Burping, also known as belching or eructation, is one of the ways your body expels excessive gas from your stomach. It is often accompanied with a typical sound and, at times, an odor. The gas in your stomach may also cause abdominal pain and cramps that vary in severity and duration. There are two main causes of burping: swallowing excess while eating or poor digestion of food that results in an overproduction of gas in the digestive system. Burping is sometimes associated with an underlying medical condition, such as gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, fructose malabsorption, gastritis, peptic ulcers, lactose intolerance, and celiac disease. Though burping is a natural bodily function, it can be embarrassing and even uncomfortable at times. To prevent and treat burping, you can use some simple home remedies to reduce gas formation in your stomach. Note: occasional burping is normal and nothing to worry about. But as persistent burping could indicate an underlying digestive disorder, you need to consult your doctor. Here are some home remedies for burping. Ginger. Ginger is an effective home treatment to prevent excessive gas. Its carminative properties help relax the gastrointestinal muscles, hence preventing gas, burping and bloating. It promotes digestion, calms the stomach and helps relieve abdominal pain. Put 1 tablespoon of thin ginger slices in a cup of hot water. Cover and let it steep for about 10 minutes. Strain, add a little honey and lemon juice, and drink it 2 or 3 times a day. Alternatively, you can take a ginger supplement. Consult your doctor for the correct dosage. Peppermint. Peppermint is another natural remedy to treat burping. Its antispasmodic property helps relax the digestive tract, which reduces the formation of gas in the stomach. It even improves the flow of bile and promotes overall digestion. Put 1 teaspoon of dried peppermint leaves in a cup of hot water. Let it steep for 10 minutes, then strain it. Drink this 2 or 3 times a day. Note: people who have a history of gallstones must not use this herb. Probiotic foods. Probiotic foods help restore the natural balance of your gut bacteria. An imbalance of the bacteria in your digestive system can contribute to gas formation and belching. Probiotic foods can even treat different digestive problems, ranging from constipation to diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome to bloating. Some of the best probiotic foods that you can eat include Greek yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, buttermilk and sour pickles. You can opt to take probiotic supplements, after consulting your doctor. Chamomile. Another herb to treat burping is chamomile. Drinking chamomile tea allows the abdominal gas to release through the system instead of belching. It can also help relieve intestinal cramping. Chamomile helps in soothing the stomach and relieving stomach gas. It can be used for several gastrointestinal conditions, such as flatulence, spasms, colic, and upset stomach. Put 1 chamomile tea bag in a cup and pour 1 cup of boiled water over it. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the tea bag and sip your chamomile tea. Drink this tea 2 or 3 times a day. Cardamom. Cardamom increases the production of digestive juices in the stomach, thereby reducing the chance of gas formation. Its carminative nature soothes the digestive tract and prevents the formation of gas as well as other digestive problems, such as indigestion, bloating and heartburn. Chew 1/2 1 teaspoon of dry roasted fennel seeds after eating a meal to reduce belching and expel gas through your intestinal tract. Also, add 1 teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds to 1 cup of hot water. Let it steep for 10 minutes, then strain it. Drink this tea twice daily. Anise seeds. Anise seeds contain several components that aid digestion and treat belching. Its carminative properties help expel gas buildup in your digestive tract and reduce bloating. Muscle relaxant and gastric protective properties. Chew 1/2 teaspoon of anise seeds to its digestion after a meal and help reduce gas production. Also, add 1 teaspoon of lightly crushed anise seeds to 1 cup of boiling water. Cover, let it steep for 5 minutes and then strain it. Drink this tea twice daily. Asafoetida. Asafoetida, also known as hing, can control gas formation due to acidity, thanks to its anti-flatulent properties. It also has antispasmodic properties that help alleviate the stomach aches caused by abdominal gas. Mix a pinch of asafoetida in a glass of warm water. Drink it 2 or 3 times a day. Also, use asafoetida provided while preparing curries and soups. Do not consume asafoetida if you take high blood pressure medication. Holy basil. Another effective remedy for bleeding is holy basil. Its antispasmodic and carminative properties help expel gas and ease other gastrointestinal discomforts, such as stomach pain, bloating and indigestion. Chew 4 to 5 holy basil leaves slowly every morning to prevent bleeding. You can also drink basil tea 2 or 3 times a day. To prepare this herbal tea, steep 1 teaspoon of basil leaves in 1 cup of hot water for about 5 minutes. Strain, add honey and drink it. Avoid gas-producing foods. All your efforts to prevent burping will be ineffective unless you avoid eating gas-producing foods. Carbohydrate-rich foods as well as fatty foods often cause gas and should be restricted or avoided for some time. Some of the foods that produce gas are carbonated drinks, beer and red wine, milk and other dairy products that contain lactose, beans and other legumes, fruits like bananas, melons, apricots, peaches, pears, prunes and raw apples, eggs, sugar and sugar substitutes, wheat and wheat bran, packaged foods with lactose, such as breads and cereals, vegetables like raw potatoes, asparagus, broccoli, cucumbers, green peppers, onions, peas, radishes, Brussels sprouts, cabbage and cauliflower. Additional tips. Eat food slowly, as eating quickly may make you swallow more air that can cause burping and hiccups. Chew your food thoroughly with your mouth closed and avoid talking when you chew. Drink beverages slowly to avoid swallowing excess air. Don't use straws to drink beverages, especially carbonated drinks. Avoid sucking on hard candy. If you wear dentures, make sure they are fitted properly. Poorly adjusted dentures make you chew abnormally and swallow air. Stop smoking, as inhaling cigarette smoke causes excess swallowed air. Take a brisk walk for 10 to 15 minutes after eating. Reduce your stress level, as excess stress can affect your breathing and cause you to swallow air.